where I get rid of this, man. Damn, is that like press in or?
I don't know. We might have to use the press.
Might have to use the fucking instructions.
I don't know how to read.
I can't read.
I can't read, Billy.
No, you know what they're talking about.
I hope they got good pictures.
They run over there.
Oh yeah, I can't read.
And you still sitting there?
Just run.
Well, I can't read. Just run.
Get out of here.
You can tell me and Matt put the coilovers on.
Yep.
So that was actually tight. All the rest of them were loose. We torqued it to cornbread smack.
It's crossfed or not, tight's tight. Whoa, we gotta stop. We can't finish this. God damn it. It is recommended that a licensed workshop or tradesperson carry out the above procedures and that workshop manual and relevant safety procedures are followed in addition to the above. Fuck that shit.
This side's done right, at least.
Gotta call in a professional. I'm a little scared to use a fucking hammer.
I think the spring is where the hell did it go?
Oh. It doesn't even need a fucking hammer. What the fuck?
They sagged real bad when it lifted it.
Actually,
They're all at,
did it wrong. Got it.
so you can actually see what he's doing.
Multi-purpose.
I hate it when people are like filming in their garage for vlogs and like it's all
all
dark.
dark.
This part right here is really important. It's just black.
It's black.
This is where a lot of people mess up. This specific area, you can't see shit.
None for you.
You enjoying yourself?
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm gonna always do the work. It's nice
This
to
is
sit back and
the
watch
peanut
somebody else
gallery
work.
over here.
We have the most certified mechanics sitting in the car eating popcorn. Right? Hey, are we doing this right?
Sad part is I am partially certified, so.
We were giving Dylan hell this weekend.
Poor man's AMG.
Yeah.
That's like, are they not good? Are they?
Nice instructions.
Oh, I already went through the instructions. It's all good. I'm gonna, what did it say? A certified or highly trained workman.
Yeah, we're certified, so it's okay.
We're good to go.
Matt hit the ball with a hammer.
No, I wasn't. I got it. No, look at this though. I didn't even take the bolt out. Let's see that though.
There you go. Look at him. He's using the right tool.
Just gonna get the damn brake pad out. It's another selling point. 420.
Toker
Raise it.
There you go.
Oh,
That's my box at work.
that's really nice.
It's right here.
Oh, I want to be a man about it, Jeff. Where's that sawzall at?
You drink the alcohol, Nathan. You don't waste it.
Fuck.
Jeff's way of working. Matt's way of, wait, oh. Matt's way of working.
Spirit fingers.
These are not spirit fingers. These are spirit fingers. I like that a lot better. You live a problem. Oh shit. Jeff, did you take my cup holder?
It's It's supposed to be right
You
behind
son
the
of a
handbrake.
bitch! Don't lie to me.
It's supposed to be right behind the handbrake.
Mm-hmm. It's supposed to, but where's
It's
it
made,
at?
it's made square to fit a bottle of Jack Daniels and everything.
Katniss!
Katniss, what'd you do with the cup holder?
Ha-ha! Here we go. There it is, Jeff.
Fuck. His nuts finally dropped. He's been faking it for 20 years.
NASCAR. Squealer pads.
Squealers. Squealer, squealer.
She's a squealer.
Actually, the correct procedure is to go about 30 miles an hour, ease on the brakes. Go 30 miles an hour, ease on the brakes so you stop. And then go, and then get on it like,
No, you
go to
don't
like
do it.
60 and then hit them really hard.
Don't do any of that. Go 80, floorboard the brake pedal, and then drive normal. You're good.
That's it.
Broken caliper and what is leaking?
The brake fluid.
Why?
If you don't bleed the brakes after you do this, you know, because whenever you bleed the brakes, or if you don't bleed the brakes, it'll do that.
Was it just like air
No, it's not air, it's
pushing it
just
in
where
and
the
out?
material wears and somebody tops it off.
Oh,
So
yeah.
whenever you push it back in, the extra material or the extra fluid comes back out.
That's your malfunction. Got there.
I ain't lying.
No, you got it right over here, Billy.
Are you sure?
Yep, good job, Billy.
Check the inside and the outside.
Oh, the bottom one, not so much.
The bottom.
Yeah, the bottom. Well, I guess there's only one of those on the brake pad.
No, both sides have it.
Yeah, well, you need to redo this one then, Billy. I don't see what it really matters, though. It kind of looks like they're supposed to be like that.
Because if you don't do it right, the squealer will start squealing.